Blockchain is essentially a digital ledger that is shared across a network of computers. Imagine a public record book that everyone in the network owns a copy of. This book is used to record transactions or any kind of data in a way that is secure and permanent. The data is organized into blocks. When a new block of transactions is created, it is linked cryptographically to the block before it. This forms a chain, which is where the name blockchain comes from. Once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This makes the record history immutable and extremely reliable. What makes blockchain so important is its core principle: decentralization. Instead of having one central authority, like a bank or a corporation controlling the data, the control is spread out among all the computers in the network. Every computer validates new transactions and holds an identical copy of the chain. This shared control eliminates the need for a trusted middleman. You do not have to rely on a bank to verify a money transfer or a government to verify a land deed. The network itself handles the verification through agreed-upon rules and cryptography. This results in greater transparency because everyone can see the transaction history, and enhanced security because no single person can tamper with the records without the entire network noticing. Blockchain technology was first created to power cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Bitcoin uses the blockchain to track every coin transaction without needing a central bank. However, the technology is now being adapted for many other uses. Companies use it to track supply chains, ensuring products are authentic and ethically sourced. Governments are exploring its use for secure digital identity and voting systems. Any application that requires a transparent, tamper-proof system for recording data can benefit from this technology. In short, blockchain matters because it provides a new way to establish trust and transparency online. It is a powerful tool for creating secure, shared databases that are not controlled by a single entity, promising to make many of our global systems more efficient and trustworthy. If you found this information helpful, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more tech breakdowns.